Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see Instagram watch history on your iPhone. For example, if you have recently watched many videos or and any many posts, and if you want to see your all of your watch history, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply close the App Store. And after closing the App Store, you have to simply open the App Store here, Instagram here, and you have to click on that profile section. And after that, you have to click on three lines here. So in three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy, and after that you can simply click on your activity. So in your activity, you will find all of your activity, recent activities, like your likes, comments, and you can find all of your watch history also there. So here you can simply see the reels you have shared. But if you want to see the watch history, then you can simply click on that here. So if it will provide you all of your watch history from here. But if you want to get for the specific date or time, then you can also change the settings, and after that you can select the filter, and after that you can get all the watch history of that time. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.